What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, on today's dance tutorial we are gonna teach you the song called Sun and Moon by Anis. Alright, so this is 8/8 choreography. Here we go. Let's start. So it goes like 5, 6, and 7, then and 8. Okay? As simple as that. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Then go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. So that one is a bit crazy fast. Like boom, ta, boom, 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 like that. Okay, let's try again. So 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Continue from here. 1 and 2. Go 3, chest 4. Lower on 5, 6, and 7, 8. Yeah, 8. Yes, right? Timing is correct. So on the second 8, what's the second 8? 5. Let's start from the top. So 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Yeah, this one is girl. Like girl. Next, step on 1, turn on 2, not on 3, and on 4, go back on 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple as that. So girl style. 1, turn 2, not 4, 5, 6, right. So left, right, left. 7 and 8. Continue. The 7, 8 portion. 1, the 2. Go. 3 and the 4. So basically it's just cha, cha, cha. It's like this. And the cha, cha, and the 4. Okay. Go 5, 6, and the 7 and 8. One more time. So this is 7, 8, right? 7, 8. No, we're here. Already. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, let's try from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sun and moon. Good. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 1 and stop. 3 and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Next. Back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Just stop. 7, 8. Continue. 1, 2, 3, and chest. Step on 5. Bounce. Stay the 8. That 1. So start from here to 8, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. Almost. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and this time head. 4. Go. 5, that. 6, back. 7, and 8.
Baby, you're my sun and moon.
watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on my YouTube channel. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.